The F2 error code on a Sunbeam electric blanket means the blanket isn't getting enough electrical current to operate safely. When the controller senses weak or unstable power, it shuts the system down to prevent overheating or damage. In most cases, this isn't a serious failure, it's often something simple like a loose connection. The most common causes are a plug or controller that isn't fully seated, a failing controller that can't regulate power correctly, or internal wiring wear inside the blanket from bending or long-term use. The F2 code can also appear if the blanket detects unsafe temperature behavior, which ties back to inconsistent current flow. To fix it, start by checking the outlet and making sure the blanket is plugged directly into a working wall socket. Disconnect the controller completely, then reconnect it firmly to the blanket. After that, unplug the entire unit from the wall for 15 to 30 minutes to fully reset the safety system. Once reset, plug it back in and test. While doing this, inspect the cord, controller, and blanket for frayed wires, burn marks, or visible damage. If the F2 error keeps coming back, the controller may be failing internally due to aging components, or the blanket wiring may be damaged. At that point, replacing the controller may help, but if damage is present, replacing the entire blanket is the safest option. Most Sunbeam electric blankets include a limited warranty, so contacting Sunbeam support is recommended if troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue.